Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Holistic Facts. In our today's Prelims Prime video series, we are going to discuss about National Productivity Council. So recent news was 14th meeting of NPC was held under the chairmanship of Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal. Alright, 49th meeting was held recently. So it is very important to know about NPC and how does it work. National Productivity Council is established in was established in 1958, and the very important fact here is that it's an autonomous organization. You do know that preliminary examinations put such questions very frequently, so you have to look out for such words that the organization is autonomous, constitutional or non-constitutional. Alright, so NPC is autonomous organization founded in 1958 under the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, that is DIPID, under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Alright, Ministry of Commerce and Industry is the ministry of NPC under which it is constituted. What are the functions of NPC? Besides undertaking research in the area of productivity, NPC has been providing consulting and training services. So this is very important that NPC conducts research as well as it provides the consultancy and the training services. Alright, in various areas like agribusiness, industrial engineering, economic services, quality management, even human resource management, IT, and energy management, environmental management, and plus it provides consultation and training to government as well as private sector organizations. Alright, so NPC is a constituent of Tokyo-based Asian Productivity Organization. Asian Productivity Organization consists of 20 Asian countries, and its headquarters is in Tokyo. And Asian Productivity Organization is all for socio-economic development in the region. Alright, in the Asian region to promote socio-economic development among the nations. So NPC is a constituent of that, and India is founding member, by the way, so you should note that. What is vision of NPC is to impart knowledge and be leader in productivity and make sure that Indian economy is globally competitive. And mission again is to sustainable and inclusive economic development of country by enhancing productivity. It's as simple as that. And composition is president is the Minister of Commerce and Industry, and chairperson is Secretary of DIPIT. And there are various regional officers related to various sectors. All right, let it be agribusiness or IT and etc. Now the objectives here, I have just listed them. You should read them carefully. This should be useful in mains examination. So we'll just take a look at it. To promote innovation and be leader in productivity in sustained manner, to demonstrate value addition, all right, in the and be a catalyst in institution building and development. Recognize productivity champions through awards, affiliations, certificates and accreditations, etc. This is very important. It's good for the motivation, it motivates other to do their work more efficiently in the sector. Enhance international outreach for sharing the gains of productivity on mutual basis. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Holistic Facts.